Mathematical order of operations for expressions. In this segment, we are going to explore the mathematical order of operations for expressions. We will look at which operation to perform first and answer the question, does it matter? The order we perform operations does matter, and the answers can be different depending on where we begin and what we do first. Where do we begin? Which operation comes first? They're all lining up yelling, "Me first!" These are rules that tell us what operation should come first. Rule 1. Operations within parentheses are first, no matter what they are. The innermost parentheses are first and move outward. Rule 2. Multiplication and division are next. Rule 3. Addition and subtraction are last. Rule 4. Work from the left to the right. Let's begin with this problem. Step 1. Read the problem. Step 2. We have no parentheses, so we begin with division and multiplication. Since division is the leftmost, we divide 3 by 4. Step 3. Now we will multiply the result of our division by 5. Step 4. Look at our problem now. Step 5. We are now ready to do our addition and subtraction, and because we work left to right, we will add 1 plus 2 first. Step 6. Finally, we are ready to subtract 3.75 from 3. Step 7. Our answer is negative 0.75. We are now going to work the same problem using parentheses. Remember that parentheses force you to do what is in the parentheses first. Our answer will be different. Step 1. The parentheses say to do the addition and subtraction first. Remember left to right, so we add 1 and 2. Step 2. Now we subtract 3 from the result. Step 3. Look at our problem now. Step 4. We are now ready for division and multiplication. Because we work left to right, we will divide 0 by 4 first. Step 5. We're ready to multiply 0 times 5. Step 6. Finally, we get our answer of 0. Notice that we had the same numbers and same operators, but because of parentheses, the answers were different. What happens when one set of parentheses is inside the other? The answer is simple. We do the innermost parentheses first. Let's see how this works. Look at the same problem with two sets of parentheses, one inside the other. Step 1. Do the innermost parentheses first. In this case, divide 3 by 4. Step 2. Apply the left to right rule, so you add the 1 plus 2. Step 3. Subtract 0.75 from the result. You will subtract 0.75 from 3. Step 4. Finally, multiply the result, 2.25, by 5. The order of operations matter in solving mathematical problems. Remember the 4 rules: parentheses, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, work left to right.